What's the next color? Brown! I'm looking through all the talents and I think it's just Mume and Risu. How about Risu? There we go, we can talk about nuts. That's her thing, she likes the nuts. All right, here we go. You can't stop. That's it. That's the poem. Let's see, you can't stop the urge to get that sweet nut. Shut it down. Don't. Pistachios smut comes off the tree and into your basket for nuts, for nut collecting. Go and finish. I don't know if I can. There just aren't a lot of things that rhyme with nut. Okay. Our favorite nut busting hip. I don't know if she thrusts her hips or not. Busting. Help! 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 Squeeze the nut. Seize the nut. Please the nut. Take it in the